We the people, the first three words of the United States Constitution.
The bedrock fundamental aspect of being a criminal defense attorney is understanding the Constitution, knowing what one's constitutional rights are.
Rights that attorney Anthony Cotton says exist regardless of a person's U.S. citizenship status.
The constitutional rights that exist in our country are designed to protect everybody within the borders. So now there are certain lesser rights that immigrants have that citizens do have.
It's a topic generating questions as the new Trump administration makes plans for mass deportations for undocumented immigrants.
They have a right to due process, a right to equal protection under the laws. All of those rights exist for that person regardless of whether they are illegal or a citizen.
And when it comes to potential immigration raids at a person's home, Cotton looks to the Fourth Amendment.
There's no immigrant exception to the Fourth Amendment where because the police know and suspect an illegal immigrant is living somewhere, they can just kick down a door without a legal basis to do so.
Whether you're an undocumented person or a U.S. citizen, why is it important to know that everybody has certain rights under the U.S. Constitution?
If you don't know your rights, then you can be susceptible to being taken advantage of by government agencies that might not have your best interests in mind.
Erica Finke's joining us live from the newsroom tonight. And now, Erica, you mentioned those potential immigration raids. Today, a warning from the Justice Department.
And that warning telling state and local officials not to stand in the way of increased immigration enforcement or else face potential prosecution. The DOJ memo obtained by the Associated Press also orders federal prosecutors to investigate state or local officials who they think are interfering with the Trump administration's immigration crackdown.